Marlboro man ain't cool no more. Can't smoke in bars like you could before. Gotta go around back where the drifters go if I wanna put a memory up in smoke. I drove that GTO too fast, put it in a ditch that had chewed my ass. Worked all summer just to pay for the parts. Spent my last dime, no, wasn't real smart. But it made me feel free, it made me feel alive. Like every day on earth was a roller coaster ride. I got a couple scars, I knew I had to change.